company working as an intern. Today I'm talking about dissolution of a company. A company is said to be dissolved when it ceases to exist as a corporate entity. Now, what is dissolution of the company? It is the last stage after the process of winding up by the liquidator. The process of the dissolution results in the termination of the legal entity from the company. Now, what is Section 481 of the Companies Act, which states the dissolution of the company? When the affairs are completed, a copy of the order shall within 30 days from the date thereof be forwarded by the liquidator to the registrar who maintains the books of minute of the dissolution of company. If the liquidator makes default in forwarding the copy aforesaid, he shall be punishable for fine which can extend up to 500 rupees. Now, what are the different modes of dissolution of company? By merger, reconstruction, and amalgamation. If the company is undertaking to another company under the scheme of merging, in this condition, transfer of the company will be dissolved. Voluntary dissolution of the company by general meeting and shareholders meeting. Dissolution of a company by tribunal according to section 302 of the Companies Act. After winding up the company, liquidator will file for an application and within 30 days it shall be submitted. Removal of the name of the company from the register of companies according to section 248 of the Companies Act. Now, causes for the dissolution of company. If the company records nil assets and liabilities, they also decide to shut down the company. Dissolution of the company takes place by order of the court. Another important cause is the expiration of article of association. Not carrying out any business activity from past 1 year if it is suffering from operational losses. Now, what is the procedure? The first step is to obtain written permission from the owners. The office of the secretary is informed and outstanding taxes and the bills are paid. Then the intimation letter is given. Then the shareholders and employees and the creditors are associated. Then official certificate is issued.